Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so I have been craving chicken sandwiches, and I've also been meaning to try KFC's new chicken sandwich wraps. So today I went and got one. I got the spicy, but I don't know, man. It don't look spicy. It just looks like mac and cheese and fried chicken and a piece of chicken tender. So I don't know how this is gonna be. Maybe they got my order messed up, but let's try it out. Mm-hmm. It's the mac and cheese and the chicken tender. That's it. I'm gonna put some Tabasco in here. There you go. It's not bad though. Give it a try.